Hey, you, what it do? It's your boy, Robdoesitall, coming to you live and direct from the world's northernmost town, Longyearbyen, Svalbard, Yarber, Norway. We got good news today, and that good news is that, yes, Lindsay, reindeer treats are still 25 cents. Today's topic is going to be alcohol. Alcohol. I saw something on Facebook that was like, that alcohol is super expensive in Norway. And like only 7 people can afford to, to get drunk in Norway. Oh my goodness, though, the comments was crazy. And there's one picture was talking about Svalbard, and then I went through all the comments. A bunch of people had never been in Svalbard and just listening to rumors about stuff they don't know about. It's just so much misinformation out there. The internet is a scary place. Oh my goodness, right? Okay, it is true that alcohol is expensive in Norway. Mainland Norway, alcohol is very expensive. The whole time, I remember I was in Norway in 2019, I was living in Oslo, and there was one place that had like a happy hour on like a Tuesday. It was like a cafe, coffee shop or whatever. And for like 2 hours during the day, its beer was like 68 crown, which is like, you could times it by 10 or 11 or 9. It kind of fluctuates, but that's like basically $6.80, like $7, somewhere around there. And that's for like a half liter of beer, which is a little bit more than a pint. Most beer will average 10, 11, could be $12, $9. It's like, yeah, it's expensive. And then that's beer. You try to get the cocktails. Whoo, it's all bad. Cocktails, this is why Norwegians pregame. They go home, they drink, get smashed. You got public transportation everywhere, so you can get smashed, and you just gotta keep it together when you go to the bar, yep, there's my ID. Don't say nothing, don't answer. It's like when you're dealing with the police. Don't answer any questions, don't answer anything further. Or they look, do you have ID? Is this you? Yes. And then just keep it pushing, bro. Because if you try to answer something more than that, they're gonna be like, "Are you drunk?" What? No, that's me out front, and stop. Don't say nothing. But they pregame, and that's just because it's just cheaper. That way, if you pregame at home, just like anybody, the pregame's anywhere. You pregame at home or at a friend's house, and you go out to the bar. Instead of buying 10 drinks, you're gonna buy 2 drinks, and then you go back home and drink more. But Svalbard is not mainland Norway, and Svalbard has different liquor rules, alcohol laws. There's like way lower taxes, everything. So to drink on Svalbard is actually very much cheaper than drinking on the mainland. I mean, I'm a bartender by trade, so you come and you get like a vodka Red Bull, it'd be like 84 crowns, it's like $8, like I said, $8.40, somewhere around there, €9, whatever. That same drink on the mainland would be like $12, $13. So drinking here is not bad. And you have different laws as well, as far as like, if you drink on the mainland, you can't have more than 4 centiliters in any main spirit in a drink. So there's no such thing as doubles, can't do no doubles, can't get a cocktail and a shot, can't do anything like that. And the coupes are even smaller and everything. You try and get like an old fashioned. An old fashioned me normally would be 6 centiliters, which is 60 milliliters, which is 2 ounces. But nah, you can't do none of that in the mainland. And so your rocks glass is going to be a lot smaller, single rocks glass, not double rocks glass. And yeah, but on Svalbard it's way different. You can have double, you can have triple. You could buy a whole bottle if you want. You want the bottle, I mean, you can't take it with you. But, well, you got a liter? Okay, 1 liter is 100 centiliters. So you're not getting any discount, no break, no nothing on it. I'm going to just go whatever the bottle is. And when it say how many centiliters, I'm gonna put 100, and then whatever that price is, that's what you're gonna get it for. So you're definitely not getting it for what we're getting it for, but it's no discount on if you buy, like I said, all of them or just one or whatever. But if you have a long line, you got 6 friends with you, 5 friends, whatever, and you're gonna be drinking shots, just buy the bottle, ask for 6 shot glasses, and just keep it pushing. Just keep it pushing. So alcohol, let's kill that rumor. Not that expensive on Svalbard, but it is expensive in mainland. And also, someone asked me, what is the most popular cocktail on Svalbard? Oh man, oh my goodness, that is a very easy question. That answer is a vodka battery or a vodka Red Bull. It's the same thing. Vodka, an energy drink, popular energy drink in Norway is a battery energy drink. So someone said they want a vodka battery and you don't got battery, you have Red Bull, then it's a vodka Red Bull. And yeah, that's by far the most. Because I mean, I don't know. People just be trying to get drunk and stay up, I guess. I don't know. Be ready to go to the Nordpolet, which is after party in Norwegian. I don't go to Nordpolet, you know. I have bad experience with Nordpolet back in the day. You know what I mean? You get my book when it comes out, you go a little bit more in my history. I have bad experience with Nordpolet. I don't go to them anymore for that reason. But vodka Red Bull all day. People come up, yo. Can I have 8 vodka Red Bulls? Actually, on my Instagram right now, my latest picture on my Instagram is me making 8 vodka Red Bulls and 8 Jaeger shots. And that's just a typical order. If people don't want to wait in line, they can vips each other the money or whatever. So it's like, yo, you're going up to the bar. We're 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, get 8 shots, get 8 vodka batteries, and yeah, bring them back. So that is definitely by far the most popular cocktail that I make here on Svalbard. And then, you know, anything else is just anything with vodka. Vodka Red Bull, vodka Fanta, vodka Sprite, vodka soda. Gin and tonic is close behind though. Gin and tonic and a vodka Red Bull. And then Aperol Spritz. Those, I think I would say those are the top 3. Vodka Red Bull, gin and tonic, Aperol Spritz. And then just shots. And the shots, kamikaze shots, like the most popular shot. Jaeger shots. Yeah, I be trying to get people to drink more tequila shots. I gotta make kamikaze shots, and I gotta put, oh my goodness, you know, I gotta put vodka, lime, control, or shake it, you know what I mean? When it's tequila, it's like, bam, tequila. You know what I mean? Tequila, salt, lime. Well, do I have a lime? Lemon? What? Yo, whatever is citrus, man, just take it, you know? So, yeah, that one. But yep, that is the answer to that. So that is the rumors answered about Svalbard and alcohol. And notice my outfit. I just did like 3 videos back to back, but that's okay. They're gonna come out at different times. I do wear different clothes every day. So thanks for checking in today. Holla bra.